Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make candy blossoms using paper. First, gather your materials. You will need colorful craft paper, sharp scissors, floral wire, and a hot glue gun. Also, have some small, individually wrapped candies ready to be the sweetheart of your blossoms. A ruler and pencil will help you achieve precise cuts for beautiful petals. This project is perfect for adding a personal touch to gifts or decorations. Now let's create our petals. Begin by cutting your chosen paper into squares, about 2 inches by 2 inches. Take each square and fold it diagonally, forming a triangle. Next, carefully round the open corners of the folded paper with your scissors to shape a petal. When you unfold it, you will have a lovely 4-petal flower shape, ready for the next step. Repeat this process to make several of these. With your petals ready, it's time to assemble the flower. Make a small cut from the edge to the center of each 4-petal paper shape. Then, overlap one petal over the adjacent one and secure it with a tiny dot of hot glue. This simple step gives your petals a beautiful, 3-dimensional, cupped look. Create about 5 or 6 of these individual petal units to form one complete, lush blossom. For the final touch, let's add the candy and finish your blossom. Take one of your individually wrapped candies and place it in the center of your assembled paper flower. Use a small dab of hot glue to firmly secure the candy, ensuring it stays put. If desired, insert a floral wire stem into the base for support. You can also add small paper leaves or a decorative ribbon to complete your beautiful, handmade candy blossom.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.